Hello everyone, my name is Lakshmi Prasanna and welcome to this Power BI service. In this session, I'll take you through what is Power BI and why it is important, importing of a data, cleaning and transforming the data in Power Query, creating a measures with DAX, building a interactive dashboards, publishing to the Power BI services. So before going to see all these things, today we'll discuss first what is Power BI. Power BI is a Microsoft Business Intelligence tool which is used to convert the raw data or transform the raw data into the graphical format, or else we can call it as a data visualization tool, or we can call it as a data visualization platform, anything we can call. So what it do means it allows you to connect the multiple data sources like Excel, CSV, PDFs, folders, SharePoint, SQL database, PostgreSQL, IBM DB2, Azure services, Microsoft Fabric, and so on. So there are many multiple data sources we can able to connect with the Power BI tool, and it will able to transform them. So build the relationship between the multiple tables and create an interactive dashboards will do with the Power BI tool. In 2025, actually the Power BI comes with the very new features such as an Copilot integrated. So this will give you the very Copilot interactive. If you ask anything means it will give as an output like a question to the answer. So some people able to see this one artificial intelligent Copilot, how it will be going to create an interactive dashboards and advanced visuals. Some advanced visuals are added in 2025 now. So I'll open the Power BI interface. I'll show you how the Copilot will be. So you can see this is the Power BI interface. Here you can able to see Copilot view. Somewhere you can able to see the Copilot. So when we have sign in service account, we'll able to see that Copilot. So prepare data with AI. So this is the one the advanced tool, we have it in 2025 actually. Prepare data with AI. Okay. So and we'll go through in the interface the three important tools like a report viewer, data viewer, and model viewer. So I'll show you what is the report viewer, data viewer, and model viewer. So whichever here I highlight is the first one is a report viewer. So report viewer is used to building a dashboards. Data viewer, so this is the data viewer. This data viewer is exploring your tables and connections. And the third one is a model viewer. It is used to managing the relationship. On the right, so we'll find these like a filter pane on the top of the your import data, transform it, and format the visuals. So we can able to transform any transformation by using the transform the data. So this transform data is used to transform any data into the however the required format we wanted. Okay, this is the one thing. The filter visuals, filters means we can able to filter the data by using this filter pane also. This is what we have this one. So how we are going to import the data into Power BI. So we have a many data sources as I said. So how we are going to get the data from to the Power BI environment means this is the one tool which one option we use, get data. So this get data will give you able to import the data into Power BI environment. So see, as I explained recently, so Excel workbook, data flow, SQL server, text or CSV. So for example, I'll go through the Excel workbook. You can observe the Excel workbook. There are three connectors, three are same. So whichever I am highlighting together. So these are the three Excel connectors we have. Anything you can is all the same. So for example, I'll get the data from the Excel. So any connector you can click. So here I'll go to the any local source for the getting the data. I have the data with me, a global sales. click on the table, because this is the Microsoft Excel. So because the type I have connector I have selected is Microsoft Excel. So Microsoft Excel files, whichever I have, it is selected. Now only one file I am able to fetch here. Now you can able to see there are 3 sheets in there in a global sales file. So I'll select the 3 of them. Just I'll load the data. So whenever you load the data, now you can able to see the rightmost side, the data type is opened. The data is you able to observe here. So whichever data we have imported. So this is what data we have imported here. Now see, if you need any transformations, what will be the transformations? I'll give the some examples. Just go to the transform data. You have 2 options. One option is like a transform data, one option is like a data source settings. What is this data source setting? We'll discuss later. I'll just go through with the transform data. So I'll go to the transform data. This transform data will give you the replacing of a missing value, split or merge columns, changing the data types, remove the blank rows and columns, and adding a calculated column such as profit, sales amount, like that. So there are many things are there. Now I'll show you how the transformations will take place. You just go here. So any column you can choose. I'll just go through the postal code. So we have a 80% of empty null values are there. I'll just go and replace these values with the 0. So replace values I can select. So I have to replace null value with the 0. So I have replaced null value with the 0. Now you are able to see, right? There will be 100% valid data. Before this it is an 80% of empty data over there. So now it is valid 100%. So this is what the different types of transformations we are able to see here, like a transform, add columns. If you wanted to use any tools, so we have a split column, group by, replace values, use first row as a header, detecting a data type, data source setting. We can able to create a parameters also, or else managing a parameters we do here. I'll go through the one more transformations, like I'll go to the people table. You just see column 1 and column 2 are there. These are the not a valid attribute names, column names. I'll just go and I'll use this use first as an header. So now you're able to see the column names are changed, person and reason. Same thing I'll do it for the returns also. So this is how the different types of transformations we do here. So there are many transformations in transform tab, like a group by column as there, transpose rows, reverse rows. So there are different transformations. As a text we can able to do the split columns. We have the formatting option to lowercase to uppercase, uppercase to lowercase in a text column. We can able to prefix and suffix. We'll use to find the length of the string, first characters, and range of the characters, all these things. There will be a statistical calculations and scientific. There is a standard sum, multiply, divide, all these things we have. So like this we have many types of transformations we do in a real time. Just I am closing and apply. So which is the transformations I have already applied. Now we'll go to the data modeling tab. So we have seen the data view and the transformations. So this is the what model view here. So I'm going to the data model. So here you're able to see, so whichever I have connected the tables, those are the from the only one file, like a global sales. That is what it is already having the relationships. Okay. So people to the orders we have already is there. So we have one more table like a returns, we have a relation, we do not have a relationship. To create a relationship, so we have to go to the manage relationships. So select the manage relationship. So you have an option of auto detect here. If there is any relationship automatically is there, it will find out, and it will give what is the relationship between the, so I think no relationship here. So we'll go to the manually creating new relationship. Here I need to create from returns to the orders table. So you just observe market to market, there will be a many to many relationship in a cross filtering as in both. So this is not suggestible until unless it is a client defined and end user defined and end user mandatory. So this is a not a suitable relationship to give in a Power BI. Why? So why we wanted to avoid these things? So we'll discuss in later videos. Okay. Oh, I'll go. I'll save this one as of now. I'll save this one as of now. So because to create a relationship, I'm saving this one. See. So this is how we are going to create a relationship. Nothing but a data model here. Okay. So DAX basics. So this is the one type of data model. Now you can able to see. So we have a type of sales data here. I wanted to find the total sales. I wanted to find the total sales. We have an option of a measure. So total sales means it is a scalar value. One value we can able to display. So I wanted to find the total sales means I can write a formula like a total sales equals to sum of sales column. I'll write here total sales equals to total sales equals to sum of, so we have a sum function, column name it is asking, column name is a sales, see orders table sales close. So this is how we are going to use a DAX functions here. So I can able to visualize this one in a visualization tab. So I have taken a card, so I'll display the total sales DAX whichever I have find here. So this is what the scalar value output we can able to. So this is only for the sample for the DAX formula creating a total sales. We can able to create like a total quantity, total profit, total sales price, all these things we able to create. So in future we'll able to create all these things. Will upcoming series, upcoming videos we can see all these things. So building the dashboards in like how we are going to build the dashboards means this is the one card, this is nothing but a, this is one type of visualization. So I'll take one some sample visualizations like a, I'll take one column chart, any one column chart, cluster chart, any so stacked column chart, sorry. So this is a card we have already discussed. I'll go and I'll take a column chart here. So in this column chart I'll take year wise sales, order date I can take, and sales column I'll take, So in this you can observe here year wise sales I can able to observe, year wise sales I can able to observe. So how many years of data is there? This many of years data we able to see it here, 2011, 2012, 2013. So we able to see the data. And so if you wanted to have for any column chart, so here two measures I can able to take. So sales one is there, and you can take as an quantity, I can take as an quantity. So any measures whichever you wanted you can take. The quantity I'll take, and as usually date, order date I'll take. So this is how year wise the quantity wise sales are. If you have no need of an quantity, you can take as an profit or sales price, cost, sales price, shipping cost also you can take. So this is how we can able to show the line charts, so I'll collapse this build and all these things. So I am just showing. So we are not building any dashboard, just the sample visualizations and we are taking. So any slicer you can take, any slicer. So if you wanted to switch on the labels, you can switch on the data labels here. You just observe. Yeah, as we said, we can take a slicer. You just observe how the data will be get filtered with the different types of category. Furniture category means it will filter for the furniture category. If you go for the grocery, it will go filter as an grocery. And if you go for the technology, how the whole the data is get filtering. So slicer, we can able to filter the category wise as an report or dashboard. So this is not about dashboard, the visual how the interacting with the slicer. So whenever I choose any option in a category slicer, it is filtering as. So not only category, you can take any other things also, just like country wise sales, country wise all these things. You can take country also, you can take date and years also. So however you can take. So if you go for the category and so city, country, I'll take the country here. You just hide the blank. So here we able to see the blank, right? So I don't want to see the blank here. This is the one option where we can able to hide the blank. So the other options also is there, so we'll see it in later. So now I wanted to go see only Australian data. Just select the Australia country, it will filter for the Australia. See, if I go for the Austria, so it will filter for the Austria. So if you go for the Afghanistan data. This is how the interactive the slicer will help to filter the data as per our requirement. Now, so you think like this is one dashboard, or report. So I wanted to, when your dashboard is ready, you think your dashboard is ready. So click on publish button, choose a workspace in the Power BI. So what is workspace, how it will work, we'll discuss in upcoming videos. So before going to publish the report, we have to save in a environment, local environment, like that. So see, this is how it is asking Microsoft Power BI desktop. So whichever the changes or whichever the thing you have built, so you have to save it first. Now we'll save this one first. Save in any local area. So any local area. So I'll go for the more options, browse this device. I'll go to the these things. So here I'll select like a demo. I'll save it like a demo. Just enter, save it. So this is saved now. Now I'll go to the publish button, where the rightmost corner will find the publish button here, share or publish. So here I can click on a publish button. So again it is asking, I have saved. So now it will open the workspace. Here you observe my workspace is a default workspace here. My workspace is default workspace. This is nothing but your OneDrive or Google Space or something like your Drive. So practice fabric, practice workspace is nothing but whichever we have created as we needed. Okay. So if you wanted to publish that report into the my workspace, you can select the my workspace. This is your personal private workspace. This is not a public workspace. Okay. So I'll just go to the my workspace. I'll explain you how we are going to create these workspaces in future videos. My workspace, I'll select the my workspace, just select. So now see, the report is going to publish into the my workspace. So it will create one URL. So if you open that URL, so you can able to see, open the demo.pbx in Power BI, get quick insights. I'll just click on this demo open pbx file. You can observe it here. See how it is going to open here. So my workspace is not in this this thing. I just go with got it. So I'll close here. My workspace is in some other Chrome browser. I'll select that Chrome, whichever I have. So app.powerbi.com. So I'll open the service account. So this is my service account. You just go and check it in my workspace. So this is the overview of our interface of the service account. Here are the workspaces, and you will find one more thing like a my workspace here. So leftmost corner, workspaces and my workspace. So we have published this into the my workspace, right? Just select the my workspace. you can able to see the demo.pbx in a my workspace. So whichever these are all these things you observe here. So now see demo.pbx and the schematic model of the demo.report we have find it here. This is how we publish the account report into the services. This is how. Okay. So in the this is how anyone you have the access with the service account, you can view the report on the web or mobile pages also. You can create an apps with the business user, so you can schedule the automatic data refreshes. How we are going to set the refreshes, all these things we'll find it in see it in new videos. You can schedule that one and apply row level security and restrict the sensitive data viewing from the so all these things we can able to see whenever your dashboard is ready. So click we have published into the workspaces, like it might be a my workspace or else private workspace or public workspace. You can publish into the any one thing as per your requirement. So in the latest 2025 feature Power BI in 2025, so it introduces the AI Copilot as we have already discussed. So this point we have already discussed. Okay, Copilot with the it will give the suggestions which suggest the visuals. It will write the DAX functions and provides the natural languages insights. This makes the analysis faster and easier, especially for the beginner levels. So we have already have the Power BI Telugu series. There I have explained the real world use cases. Multiple use cases, how the for example Power BI used across the industries like a finance and teams track, revenue and profit tracking, HR monitorings, headcount and alteration of the attrition of the employees, marketing measures, IT managers, all these things. In this series we will cover the cases like all the real-time real world projects. So coming to the end of this demo session. So that is all for this demo, the overview of the demo. So just for the only the idea purpose I have created the demo. So we imported the data, cleaned it, modeled it, created a measures, we have built a report and published into the cloud. So that is fine. This is what we have done with the whole the demo. In the next videos, we'll dive the deeper into the Power Query, DAX and advanced dashboards also. Do not forget to subscribe, like and share in the this video, and let's continue our Power BI journey together. Thank you so much for watching.